fantastic prizes. The fabulous 60-minute prize is right. Pamela Gover, come on down. Tammy Flannery, come on down. Bert Gailey, come on down. And Shannon Sluma, come on down. You are the first four contestants on The Price is Right. And now is the star of The Price is Right, Bob Barker.
Welcome to The Price is Right. Thank you very much. We were sitting around the dressing room talking here just before I came out to say hello to you. I said, what do you think I should say when I go out there today? And someone said, why don't you go out and thank everybody for watching The Price is Right and making it the #1 game show in television. So that's what I'd like to do. We've been on for so much longer than most shows last at all, and to still be #1 is little short of a miracle. And without you there at home, it would not have come to pass, and we do appreciate it. Now, here is the first item up for bids, and The Price is Right.
A convertible dishwasher. Whirlpool portable convertible or under-counter dishwasher with Durafirm door, scour cycle, and exclusive in-the-door silverware basket from the Whirlpool Corporation. And the winner of this dishwasher goes a supply of Jet Dry, the water spot preventer for your dishwasher. It helps stop spots when detergents alone can't. Jet Dry in solid.
We want you to bid on that in dollars because we round off our retail prices to the nearest dollar. Turn a little bit this way. A little more. A little more. No, your whole body. Pamela, what do you bid? I can see your
$3.88.
What do you say?
$3.88.
$3.88. Tammy?
$5.25.
Her bid is $5.25. Bert?
$4.85.
$485. Wait. Let me read. I don't know. Wait a minute. I want to read his shirt. His shirt says, God only made a few perfect heads, and on the rest he put hair. I like that, Bert. Shannon, give me your bid.
$4.25.
$425. The actual retail price is $469, and you win, Shannon. Let's play a pricing game right over here. Right up here, Shannon.